Bay East On Demand is an online educational tool that enables you to learn anywhere, anytime, making it easier for busy real estate professionals to complete required courses and trainings on the go. Let's take a look at our online learning management system. You can access Bay East On Demand at bayeast.org under the Education tab, or at beondemand.org. Look for the class you are interested in attending on the Bay East events calendar. For example, I'm going to register for this class. After registering, classes will appear on the dashboard the next business day. Look for Recording Available in Class Description. Class recordings are available to you on demand for 1 week. First time registering? Look for an email to set up your Bay East On Demand password. Our online courses provide tools that make you feel as if you're inside the classroom with live instructor-led classes, materials, and session links available in one user-friendly dashboard with access to the system anytime. Thanks for watching.